taste of freedom wouldn't be possible without all those who fought to defend it. Celebrate Memorial Day.
Bring all those crunchy, cheesy, spicy ingredients home to your crew. From Taco Bell to your
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a dust storm warning for West Central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists had detected a wall of dust located 20 miles east of the city of Barstow, moving westward at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging winds exceeding 75 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: potentially dangerous travel. Locations impacted include Barstow, Daggett, Glenwood, Calico, Hinckley, and Newberry Springs. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile marker 169 and mile marker 220, Interstate 40 between mile marker 0 and mile marker 57, and State Route 58 between mile marker 205 and mile marker 241. Avoid non-essential travel as visibility will be extremely low and may cause accidents on the roads. Pull over to the side of the road and shelter in your vehicle until the dust clears. Should you need to head outside, wear a mask to prevent dust inhalation. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in California, San Bernardino,